So now I'm off to get my hair done, and I'm sure you can see that my hair has had its first shade. So I'm gonna take you along as well and show you just bits and pieces of what I'll be up to. And I also think I'm gonna do my nails. I hope I have enough time to do so. If I don't, I'm just gonna leave it and just put on nail polish.
When it's on me, you got a nigga blowing up, you got an ID. It's in the side, I set up, you got me. Like to know you, let's do it again. How we did it in a one night stand. Boy, I wanna be more than a friend. Oh yeah, like to know you, let's do it again. How we did it in a one night stand. Boy, I wanna be more than a friend. Do that, wanna do that one more time. Can you take me, baby? Even when I'm with my boo, boy, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. Crazy over you. Crazy over you. Crazy over you. Crazy over you.
I cannot believe the view.
Crazy over you. All I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo,
Okay.
you know I'm crazy over you. Crazy over you. Crazy over you. Crazy over you. You know I'm crazy over you. Crazy over you.
I'm practicing my breathing. Listen.
I met the chicken, she just moved right up the block from me. She got the house for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. Oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I went for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting that in no time. I bet I make this with her mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't live alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to me. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. 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 You know I'm crazy over you. Crazy over you. Crazy over you. I'm crazy over you.
It was all a dream. Yeah. It was all a dream. Dream. It was all a dream. Dream. Yeah. It was all a dream. Dream. It was all a dream. Dream. Yeah. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and Heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop. Smoking weed and bamboo, sipping on private stock. Way back when I had the red and black lumberjack with the hat to match. Remember rapping Duke? The hard. You never thought that hip hop would take it this far. Now I'm in the limelight cause I rhyme tight. Time to get paid, blow up like the world trade. Born sinner, the opposite of a winner. Remember when I used to eat sardines for dinner? Peace to Ron G, Brucey B, Kid Capri, Funk Master Flex, Love Bug, Star Ski. I'm blowing up like you thought I would. Call it quick, say no, say good. It's all good. And if you don't know, now you know, nigga. Dream. It was all a dream. Yeah. It was all a dream. It was all a dream. Yeah. Dream. It was all a dream. Yeah. It was all a dream. It was all a dream. Yeah. Brunches, interviews by the pool. Considered a fool cause I dropped out of
So I am about to have lunch and enjoy the view. I did not think I could stand the fear of getting up here, but I bit my fear today. It's some achievement that I'm very grateful for, because it's been such a hurdle for me to beat that fear, and I think I did well.
I'm getting higher and higher. Feeling in my sleep.
East Coast, condos and